In this video, I will be explaining how to draw the shapes of the 5 d orbitals. Actually, the d orbitals are 5 in number. They are Dxy, Dxz, Dyz, dx square bar y square, and dz square. So, I'll be explaining how to draw the shapes of these d orbitals. The logic behind the shapes is what you should focus on. Before I go further, if you are new to this channel, just give me a follow, comment and like, and importantly share this video so that it will reach the students that need it for their exams. So let's go. Recall the definition for orbital. Orbital is the area of space where there is high probability of locating electrons. So before you draw the shape, you must draw the space, the 3 axes of the space, this way. This, I give this the x-axis, positive x-axis, center 0, negative x-axis. This is the z-axis, positive z, negative z. Then the y-axis goes like this. It comes towards you and inside the blackboard, the whiteboard. So how do we draw it? We draw it like this. And this is our positive y and negative y. So this is the space and it is ready to accommodate each of these orbitals. So let's put dxy orbital on this space. Then let me draw 4 other spaces so that after drawing, we'll start drawing the shapes one after the other. So these are the 5 spaces, and let's go. The logic behind drawing dxy orbital is this. Remember, the shape is double dumbbell. The shape is double dumbbell. Double dumbbell. Or you call it rosette. Rosette shape, which looks like this. That is the shape of d orbital. Now, the question is, where do you place the 2 dumbbells? You look at these, you see x and y. There is another alphabet that is not there, and that is z. Very important. You place the first dumbbell on z axis. Since z is not here, you place the first dumbbell on z axis. Then, where do you place the second dumbbell? The second dumbbell will go in between the alphabets you are seeing already. So, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. In between them, you drop the second dumbbell. And this is the shape of dxy orbital. The same logic goes for dxz orbital. The alphabet you are not seeing here is y. The first dumbbell will therefore go and align on y-axis. Then the second dumbbell will go in between x and z. This is x-axis. This is z-axis. In between them is here. So the second dumbbell will align in between x and z. You can see 2 of them are not the same. They are never the same. Now, the next, dyz. The same logic goes. The alphabet that is not here is x. So the first dumbbell aligns on x-axis. Second, we go in between y and z. Y, z. In between them is here. That is dyz orbital. You can see 3 of them are not the same. The next is dx square bar y square. Once there is square on x, it means the first one is going to x directly. And also there is square on y, second one. As first one goes to x, second one will go to y. That is dx square bar y square. Now look at dz square. There is also square on z. So you place the first one on z. Now, behold, there is no other alphabet. There is no y, there is no x. Since there is no x, there is no y. You can't align the second one on x, you can't align it on y. So how does it go? What happens is that the second one will go round this z-axis. It will go round like a tube. It will go round like a tube around z. It will go round like a tube. You see? Remember, it's not touching z-axis, it's not touching the first one, but it's just going round, touching the y-axis and the x-axis. And that is the shape of the z-square orbital. And of course, the 5d orbitals. I hope you got value. If you did, please like, comment, and follow this channel for more videos.